Man, hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Space. So in today's video we are going to talk about Cardano, but before we are going to start, let's quickly have a look on a daily bubbles. So as you can see over here, we are currently experiencing a bit of a pullback on the market. However, we've got some winners, and we've got Caspa up 15.5%, we've got Say token 11%, Bonk up 19%, Helium up 12.8%, and IOTA 7.9%. There is nothing to be worried about, because if we are going to zoom out a little bit and if we are going to look at weekly, we can clearly see that there is a ocean of green, same as on the monthly. All right, then let's quickly have a look at Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We are currently sitting at 65, which is greed. Okay, then let's look at a Cardano. We are currently trading at 61 cents of a dollar. And we are pretty much experiencing a bit of a pullback on a 24-hour time frame. However, if we are going to change to 7 days, as you can see, pretty much the same thing. Let's have a look at 14, and if we are going to look at 90 over here, we pretty much see a growth in Cardano. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are happy as long as you are holding Cardano and you have been accumulating throughout this a bear cycle. I believe we are not in a bear cycle anymore, but we still do have some time to accumulate. All right, then let's have a look at a big piece of news. So Cardano essential growth triggers. According to key trends with Cardano ecosystem throughout this year, the protocol has been on a major run as concerns its developer effort. So let's have a look in here on DeFi Llama. At the moment, our total value, Cardano's total value locked is at 496 million. We have Cardano generated 22,000 in fees, and the volume is $15 million in the last 24 hours. All right, and guys, as you can see over here, in a previous bull cycle, we haven't experiencing as high volume as we are experiencing now. The price still doesn't really follow up with that volume, but that is just a matter of time. At that time, I would say that Cardano is undervalued. However, okay, let's move it a little bit over here and zoom in to see what is currently going on. As you can see over here, guys, the last update I did on Cardano was around 2 days ago. That was on the 27th, I believe. So as you can see over here, we are pretty much growing in terms of total value locked, volume, fees, and price. Of course, we might expect a bit of consolidation from here. However, there is nothing to be worried about. As you can see over here, that's on the weekly. It looks like the price is trying to smash through that line of resistance and close there above that line of resistance. That's very important. If we are going to close on a weekly above that line of resistance, there is much more upside potential for Cardano. We might retest the next resistance level, which is roughly at 80 cents of a dollar. All right, and RSI is currently sitting at 77, which could technically indicate a pullback. However, that doesn't necessarily say that that could be the case, because as you can see over here, we've pumped much higher over here on RSI, but obviously that was the previous bull cycle. All right, then let's throw a Madrid ribbon at it and let's see what's going on. So as you can see over here, we've pretty much flipped green for from like ever since Cardano dropped. So that is a very bullish sign, at least if it comes to a ribbon. So let's have a look on a daily, guys. As you can see over here, we are currently going sideways, but on a daily we have already closed above that line of resistance, which is a very good news. All right, then let's have a look at 4-hourly time frame so we can have a better picture of what could potentially happen. All right, then, so as you can see over here, we potentially are forming a triangle. Right, if I'm going to draw it that way, that could basically indicate a bullish upside given the current market momentum. Let's see, let's click on the Madrid ribbon, and as you can see over here, the Madrid ribbon also indicates that we are in a bullish uptrend. All right then guys, that's it for today. I'm going to be keeping you updating in terms of Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. All right then, thank you very much. Peace and love, crypto.